free speaking apps not working. Yes, my friend, this problem everybody faces while learning English. There are many apps we have seen on the internet, that there are many apps which if you download it, it's completely free, and if you talk it, then you can improve your English. But the problem occurs, which I also face, probably you have also faced, some of you, that you have downloaded the apps, but when you are going to talk, they are busy, maybe not reachable, not connecting. So this kind of issues occurs. So on that condition, what to do? So in this video, I'll give the complete information on that condition, how to practice English. So number one is, my friend, that is call customer care and ask open-ended question. Now what is open-ended question? I'll tell you what is open-ended question actually. See, my friend, if you talk actually, it is a very like, it seems like very awkward to talk to customer care, but if you ask open-ended question, you can practice for a long time. How is it? See, my friend, if you'll say that hello, is this that customer care? Yes, I want to recharge my phone. So they will say, okay, go to that number and just download it, just dial it, and then you talk with that, just talk, and your problem will be solved. But if you'll ask that I have been facing this issue, network issue, for last 10 months, like that, so please, then they will say, oh, what are the issues, to give me your number. And so you can expand your talking. Okay, you can talk for a long time. So on that cases, you can improve your speaking skill. And second one is, you have phone. Yes, even you are watching, most probably you are watching this video on the phone. So why don't you shoot videos on your phone? Yes, if you shoot videos on your phone, yes, your public speaking will also improve, your communication and your English will definitely improve. So you just take the phone and just shoot the videos. Keep shooting the videos, one video, two videos, 10, 20, and after 30, 40 videos, you would see that your English has improved and your talking also has improved. So on that way also you can do it. And third one is also very, very interesting. You can join groups. Where to join? See, my friend, if you go to the Facebook, if you just type there Facebook English group, like that, so they will approve you. Okay, firstly just send request. Okay, then they will approve you, then they will that means they will tell, come to WhatsApp group, then you can join the WhatsApp group also. Or you can go to Instagram and just send messages to many people, those who are interested. Okay, join groups which are related to English, and then take their number, and on that way also you can improve your English. And next one also very, it is also very interesting. If you just really want to improve your English, that is also very important. That is, think everything in English. Yes, my friend, if you think everything in English, if you don't have time, what shall I do now, these things don't work for me, why don't you think in English? See, my friend, whatever, if I am asking you in your mother tongue, anything I am asking you, you will just firstly will think in your mother tongue. You don't know it, but it is happening in microseconds. So you are just thinking and you are just saying. Yes, so in your mother tongue. But same way you can do in English also. If you just start that for, okay, it's at first it will look awkward and you can't do it for much. But suppose you came from office or some jobs and all, and you are just lying down on the bed, okay, and now thinking, what shall I do? That time also you can, for half an hour, start doing it. At least for 90 days, just think in English. Whatever happened today, that much I have to do. Or in the morning time, then gradually your thinking ability will increase. And after 6 months, 1 year, you would see that your mental, this one, it has changed. Now you can speak English. Your thinking pattern has changed. Your another language, English, that thinking part has activated. Now you can talk. Now you can speak, because you are thinking for a long time. So please guys, this trick also you can apply, and definitely you can see the changes. So if you like the video, do give a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching my videos.